G'day everybody, Brian from Supertech Electronics. We're going to show you how to remove a Bluetooth module from a BMW 530i. The tools you will need today are an 8mm socket, a T40 screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Alrighty, let's get started. So the first part we're going to remove is this part. That's just a rubber mat sitting on top of the boot lining, and we're going to put that aside. And the next part we need to remove is this section here. Now that's just a moulded cover held in by 2 plastic screws, and you'll need to remove those plastic screws just like that, and that whole part can just be put aside for the time being. Okay, now the amplifier lives behind here, and it's held in once again by some plastic screws. There'll be a middle section that pushes into that. You'll need to pull that out. One there, and this is where your T30 screwdriver comes in. Take that plastic cover off and undo that T30 screw right there. Okay, so we twist this and it will pop out as well. Okay, so we've got this guy out here. We've got the plastic screws out of there and there. We can fold it forward now to expose the amplifier, and it is held in by 4 8mm bolts, nuts. So we'll take that out, and the whole amplifier will come out now. Now it is held in by 2 electrical cables. This guy here is one of these fold-up guys. You'll need to push that lug down, fold that forward, and the whole plug will come out. And this guy, once again, pushing that lug, pulling it out. Now that Bluetooth module is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.